My name is Audrey Johns. I'm the founder of Lose Weight by Eating, and I love to make brownies. I want to show you how to make some skinny brownies today. Now what I've already done is melted 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of chocolate buttons. I like the either the dark chocolate or the semi-sweet little chocolate buttons. And I've melted it all together, and I've let it cool slightly, but while it's still nice and gooey. I want to go ahead and add my wet ingredients, which will be 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of Greek yogurt. This will add so much ooey gooiness. I love it. Then I'm going to mix it a little bit, and then we're going to add our eggs, but we want to temper it a little bit by adding the cold Greek yogurt first so that we don't have scrambled chocolate eggs. All right, here we go. Now it's time for 3 eggs. 2, 1 more. And then I'm just going to whisk these really fast. Get them all incorporated. And then, look at that. So ooey gooey. Okay, now we can start adding in our dry ingredients. So our dry ingredients are going to be 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of good cocoa powder, about 1.25 cups of regular all-purpose flour, and you're going to mix. You could certainly use a mixer on this, but if you already got the pan out, you might as well only make 1 mess today, right? I'm going to hold it over my sink so any of the extra cocoa powder, there we go. And look at that, you got chocolate brownies. Now all we need to do is put it inside of a baking pan at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes, and let me show you what it's gonna look like. Now I recommend you put parchment paper in here, otherwise it might stick to the sides. And I've let this cool overnight. That's the hardest part about brownies, is letting them cool before you cut into them. So I'm just gonna gently lift them out and pull down my parchment paper. Oh wow. And let's cut into these and see how they look. Perfect. Look at that brownie. Isn't that fantastic? These are my skinny brownies. You can make them anytime. They take about 5 minutes. Again, thank you so much for visiting. My name is Audrey Johns with Lose Weight by Eating. Happy cooking.